Okay, so in this first lesson, it's going to be super basic, just really going back to what does y equals mx plus b even mean, and how do we interpret that equation. The m, hopefully you guys remember that as being the slope or the growth. We started off calling it the growth this year, but you're going to see it be called the slope from now on. It's how the line is either increasing or decreasing. If it's increasing, we have a positive slope. That means a line that would kind of go like this. That would have a positive slope. If it's decreasing, or if it's negative, I'm sorry. If it's negative, then we would have a line that would be decreasing or going downhill, something like that. So remember m, that's our slope or our growth. That tells us how steep our line is and which direction it's going. If our slope is a big number, that means it's increasing really fast and it's going to be really steep. If it's a small number, it means we're kind of flat, a flatter line. We talked about it a little bit this year, but if our slope is 0, it means we have a flat line. It means it's not increasing or decreasing, it's just straight, okay? The other part of this equation that's really important for us to remember is the b. I don't know if you guys can see that, my kid's little nice handprint there. Just don't really wash this well enough probably. Okay, but anyway, the b, that's the starting point, okay? The technical term for that we call the y-intercept. Okay, but we typically, when we talk about it, we call it the start. Okay, way back at the beginning of the year, we also called this figure 0. When we were doing the tile patterns. Okay, so this is where your graph or your line hits the y-axis. So on these two, I don't know if you can see those super great, your y-intercept is where the y-axis hits your line. Okay, I can make another example over here. That's my x and y-axis here. And this is my line, okay? Your y-intercept is here, okay? So like I said, for this lesson today, it's just purely recalling what each part of this equation means. And again, one last thing, we don't really talk about this a lot, but the x and the y, that's a coordinate pair on our line. So if I had the equation y equals 2x plus 6, x and y are going to be points on that line that make this equation true. So for example, I'm just making something up here. If I have the point, or if I make x just be 1, 2 plus 6 is going to be 8. That means y is going to equal 8. That means that there's a point on this line, 1, 8. Like I said, that is not something that we went over a lot, or at least I didn't. We didn't really get quite that far yet. But just so you know what the x and the y are, that's a coordinate pair. There's a line is made up of an infinite amount of points. Okay, and all of those points from that line make the equation true. Okay, but again, that was kind of a little bit of a side note. What I really want you to remember here is that m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. Okay, so that's the end of video 1.